In this video, I want to talk about how you can short on eToro. Now, keep in mind there are it's only some things that you can short. So most of the big stocks you will be able to short and stuff. But for some people, if you're in the US and stuff, there are many things that you cannot short. So just keep that in mind. And since I'm on a fake account, I cannot show you. But if you head over to the help center and you'll check how you can make the short position, what you want to do is just search for any stock that you want to do, and then you want to select it, press trade, and you will have the option to change it to a short position instead of a buy one. Obviously I'm on my demo account, so it doesn't work for me, but it should be able to work for you if you're on the real account. You just want to press trade, change it to a short instead of buy, and then you just want to put in the details, and that is how you can do that, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.